guys, this is your favorite YouTuber, Keep Up Fast, and today I'm be showing you how to video edit. So the requirements to do this is first of all, you have to have Windows 10. And then the next thing you do, search a video editor, should be right here, and it'll open up this. If you haven't started using this, it will just be blank with no projects. First you want to do is new video project. Then name what you want it to be. I'm be doing just test for YouTube. Okay, so I'm gonna be adding just a random clip. Okay, here now I have the clip. It should just look like this once you added it. Press add from this PC. Then what you want to do, hold this down, or you can just select this, place in storyboard. So once you have it in here, I'm gonna be showing you the features down here. So the first is the trim. This one's pretty straightforward. You just trim it down to how much video time you want it. So like let's say I had something I didn't want to show over around here. Then I clip it all the way over here. Press done. And there you go. For split, this you can split it into different clips. Like let's say this is just random. I get a kill here. Press done. And now you have two clips. So this is going to be your kill clip. And then if there's another one, you want to clip it again. And delete the part with no kills. And then just repeat the process. Next, this one you can just add a title card. So basically, you can just put a text and a duration plus the background color. Next is the text. So like you can just put, hey guys, it's your favorite YouTuber. And then it'll show up down here. And then yeah, it'll just show up like that. And you can set the duration too. So like let's say you just want it right around this long. And done. And it'll go away. Next is motion. This one, it's not the best, but you can still do it. So like you can zoom in a little bit. I don't know, maybe it barely zooms in. So you can just tilt down, pan right, and then so on. And then 3D effects, you can just choose 3D stuff. Basically, you can just add, let's say, glow. Yeah, it adds a glow to it. And you can make it bigger, smaller. Yeah, as you can see, it's 3D. You can just turn off the volume here. As you can see, it's animating. And the filters, it's kind of just a normal filter. Classic, adventure, pixel. So I'm put it back to original. Then you have the speed. So for the speed, if you just want to do a specific time, you can just do the clipping and clip out what you want to speed. So say I want to speed this clip right here. And speed it times 2, times 64. And then yeah, you can just speed it different stuff. And this just for and basically this is just nothing that much, just a little filter. And you can rotate the video if you want to be like wonky here. And then you can just trash this from the storyboard. And that is basically all. So let me give you a review. So you need Windows 10, switch your video editor, start a new project, and yeah. So thanks for watching, and if this helped you out, make sure to subscribe and like the video. And I'll see you next time.